Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are?
Hey friends, welcome back. Today I am cleaning up after company. I had my parents over and my brother and sister-in-law, and we made a little bit of a mess, and usually I would like to tackle something like that before I go to bed, but we just had a really long, busy day, and honestly all I wanted to do was just go get in my bed. So I decided to save it for the next day, and so I'm starting in the dining room here, and I'm just getting all of these dishes put into the kitchen so that I can kind of see what I'm working with and how many dishes I need to deal with today.
Pick me up when I'm in pieces.
And before I move into the kitchen, I'm just going to finish tidying up this room just so that I can look and see that one room is clean. That's just going to make me feel so much more accomplished to be able to look out into the dining room and have it look nice and put together. I feel like sometimes you just have to trick yourself almost into finishing something and getting your momentum and motivation any way that you can. So getting one room tidied up and looking much, much better than it did before is just psychologically satisfying. And of course, another way that I like to get momentum and motivation is by watching videos just like these. So if you're watching this video, I really hope that it motivates you and gives you the momentum that you need to finish the task at hand.
Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
And for my cleaning today, I'll be using the Everspring All-Purpose Cleaner in the lavender and bergamot scent. This smells so amazing and so relaxing. It smells just like fresh lavender, so it's like doing aromatherapy while you are cleaning. So that's what I'll be using today on my furniture.
Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway.
And here in the kitchen, I'm starting off with the Method Granite Cleaner, and I'm just cleaning off this little section of my countertop so that I can unload my dishwasher.
When I'm in pieces, oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone.
And if you're new to my channel today, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jenny, and I'm a mom of 3 from Louisiana. And on my channel, you will find lots of cleaning motivation and a little bit of decluttering and organizing and decorating, as well as a few home projects and DIYs. But my tagline is clean your way to calm, and I just think it's so important to create a clean and calm space for yourself to enjoy and for your family to enjoy. That really is my passion, is just creating that cozy, calm, relaxing environment that we can all enjoy as a family. And I know that when my house is clean and decluttered and everything's in its place and where it belongs, that just brings a lot of peace of mind for me. So I like to share that motivation with others. And if you like that kind of content, I would invite you to hit the red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I would be so honored if you did that today, and I could see you again on the next video. So thank you again for watching, and I really hope you enjoy it.
When I see him, I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out, and we got a little.
This is a real life moment for you right here. I heard the baby wake up, so basically he did not take his nap. Normally, my youngest right here, Alex, he's 20 months old. He will normally take a 2.5, maybe even 3-hour nap each day. But my husband's work schedule has been a little bit off, and I've noticed that it's affecting Alex as well. So he did not want to go to sleep, and I could hear him just kind of playing in his crib. So I decided to go rescue him, give him a snack, and let him help me clean. And help is definitely in quotation marks. But all kidding aside, he did really, really well, and he ate his snack and he was just fine. He made a huge mess with the juice, but at least he stayed put and seemed content and happy so that I could finish working. Let me know in the comments, do you have little kids, and how do you get cleaning done while you're kind of balancing like motherhood and taking care of the home and maybe taking care of other kids, shuttling them around different places. You might work outside the home as well, which if you do, God bless you, because I cannot imagine doing all the things that I do on top of a job at this point. I did used to work and I left to come be with Alex when he was born, but hats off to you if you're juggling everything you see me doing as well as a job outside of the home. Let me know in the comments, what is your situation? I want to give you like a big high five in the comments if you're doing all these things, or if you're doing all these things and working, whatever your situation is. I have a feeling that you're probably a rock star.
When I try to get his number, I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my
Okay, and now that I have all these dishes that wouldn't fit in the dishwasher rinsed off and put on the left side, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sink real quick and around my sink, and then I will go ahead and hand wash these bigger items and then just towel dry them.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
And now that I've got them all washed off, I'm gonna go ahead and just dry them off so that these bigger pieces can get put away and they won't take up any space in the dishwasher. And I thought I was done after that as far as dishes go, but I ended up finding more on the other counter that I missed somehow. And so I still had a few more dishes to clean off that you're seeing me do right now. I was like, oh my gosh, these dishes are multiplying, but they really weren't. It's just that I didn't see them. So after I finish rinsing these off and putting them on the left, I am finally done with dishes.
Just to wake you up when I dance around. I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And now that the dishes were finally done, I just had a few things to put away that were scattered all over the counter before I could give my counters a really good cleaning.
Forever.
And I'm just grabbing that same method granite cleaner and a microfiber cloth and just cleaning off the counters really quickly. Nothing super thorough. I just want to get my house back in order after we had company.
This moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And I promise you, he does not get babysat by cartoons a lot. He gets plenty of quality time with me because I'm home with him all day and we do a lot of playtime. But sometimes mommy needs to get some things done, and if he didn't nap, then he's gonna watch a cartoon while mommy cleans. So sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do to get by. It's not like my proudest mama moment, but it's real life. And that is what happens sometimes, so that I can just finish something I am doing and get it done, and then we can have all the playtime he wants after that. Which for us that day meant going outside on a stroller ride because it ended up being a beautiful day. It had been very rainy for the past few days and I haven't gotten him outside as much as I really wanted to, and so this was the most beautiful day, so we ended up having a really nice stroller walk. Moving on into the family room, Alex is going to be continuing his cartoons on a bigger screen, and I'm going to be tidying up in here really quick. and getting all the pillows straightened and the blankets, and then I'll give the room a good sweep.
When we don't feel the same, we've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change.
What a wonderful feeling it is to look around the house and just see everything calm and peaceful and put back together and ready to enjoy again. That is one of my favorite feelings, and while I can't say that I love cleaning, I definitely love the results of cleaning because it just instantly calms my mind, my nerves, and just makes me feel so much more settled. Just to know that the work is done and now we can truly enjoy our space and continue making good memories together. I know that growing up, I always loved when my dad would clean our house because he would open up all the windows and it would almost be like magical because you'd have this fresh breeze coming in and mingled with the smell of the cleaning products. I just knew that we had a wonderful space to enjoy. I hope that this video motivated you to create that kind of space for your family today by checking something off of your to-do list. And thank you so much for watching with me today. I loved hanging out with you, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
I'm not letting